Cześć! Hi friends, welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I want to show you how to make a delicious dinner French Polish style. Pork tenderloin with creamy chanterelle sauce. If you don't know what chanterelles are, those are mushrooms. They're yellow, they're just delicious, and for me they're typically Polish. I remember picking them up when I was very little with my mom in woods. Anyway, you can see my tenderloin is already done, so first let me show you how I made it. I start with preparing the marinade. I mix together 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of old-style whole grain Dijon mustard, zest from 1 lemon and juice from that lemon, and I whisk it all together. Next, I season the meat with pepper and salt and then put it in marinade overnight, but minimum is 3 hours. I sear it on a pan for 3 minutes on each side and then put it in the oven for 375 degrees for 15 minutes. After that time, I take it out and let it rest. If you're just starting and you're not sure what the temperature should be in your meat, you can buy one of these. They're very easy to use. You just put the thermometer inside and it just shows you the temperature. While the meat is baking, I'm going to start with my sauce. So what I do, first I put about 3 tablespoons of butter on a frying pan, then add the onion and let it simmer and fry until it's beautiful golden brown. To fry onion gold yellowish, it takes 4 minutes. After that, I add the chopped chanterelles, add some pepper, and of course some salt. I let it sit and mix together for about 3-4 minutes. So after that time, I transport everything into a saucepan and add half and half, about 8 ounces, and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes. So for the color and better taste, I add some chopped parsley. Let it sit for another 2-3 minutes. If you find that the sauce doesn't thicken, add a bit of dissolved flour. At the end, just prepare the plate, few pieces of the meat and the sauce. You can serve all of that with miseria or with some potatoes. Now it's time to try it. The lemon goes so well with the creaminess of the sauce. I absolutely love that. I hope you will enjoy that recipes. Please give me thumbs up and leave me some comment for more recipes from Polish Mama Cooks. Please consider subscribing. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye!